The ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is a gaming phone from Asus that has a 3.2 GHz Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform, which is 15% faster and 15% more power efficient than the previous generation. It also has 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 GB of UFS 4.0 ROM, which are very fast and spacious for storing and running games. The phone has a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 165 Hz refresh rate and a Delta E1 color accuracy for a smooth and vivid gaming experience. The phone also has a 6000 mAh battery that can last for hours of gaming, and a groundbreaking thermal design with an Aero Active Cooler 7 accessory that can reduce the surface temperature by up to 10 degrees Celsius. The phone also has a customizable ultrasonic buttons called AirTrigger that can be used for different gaming actions, and a powerful dual front-facing speakers that can produce immersive sound. The phone also supports various external accessories such as gamepads, keyboards, mice, headphones, etc. to enhance the gaming experience. The phone is also water-resistant with an IP54 rating. The ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is one of the most advanced and powerful gaming phones in the market right now.